Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got my Ipsy, so we're going to be doing Ipsy, and I just took this out of the mailbox. She's cold. This is another one. Guys, it has been so cold here. Let me know down below how cold it's been at your house. Here it's been 20s at night and 40s during the day. So this baby's been sitting out there in the mailbox all day. She's cold. I've already cut the tape. I did peek in here because I had some add-ons and I wanted to make sure everything was there. So I did peek, but I've not took anything out. So there's the box, and something in here smells like essential oils. There's the Discover Yourself. So pull my drawer out just a little bit more so I can use it for table. There's my little card. Okay, I see my first add-on, which was the ColourPop in the I love, how do you say that? Cherie? I love Cherie. Somebody tell me how to say that. But I saw this palette and I just thought that would be beautiful for the holidays. And look how pretty. That's pretty packaging. Please don't be, oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, this is definitely beautiful. Big mirror. I'll fold it back and try not to stick my fingers in anything. Look at these beautiful greens, the gold, the berries. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to tear into this. Oh, that is so pretty. There's even a purpley plum. This looks brown. That is it's a plum. Not bad pigmentation either. Swatch a couple more. It's not coming off my fingers either. That's hilarious. There's a shade named Moody. Oh my gosh. And it is teal. That is hilarious. Because I'm wearing my teal today. Oh wow. I'm messing up these beautiful pans. But Flex. This is that gray shimmer right here, which up there it looks gold. It's gray, but it's got to be a duochrome. I'm telling you, in the pan, it is gray. On my finger, look, it is brown. That is crazy. It looks goldish, kind of. But looking at it there, it's gray. That is crazy. I'm going to do this teal here, and we'll do this Mesmerize up here, and that's all we're going to swatch because I don't, whoa, oh yes, okay, I made a mess on my palette. Oh, I made a mess. I'll have to try to clean that up. Very pretty palette, glad I got that. So that was my first add-on. I'll do the add-ons first, and I've never done add-ons, so this was, it's like, I've never done add-ons. Okay, here we go. Here's the other two. I don't want to get like stuff all over the packaging here. So the other add-on I did was the Gigi Gorgeous. This is the Get Lit highlighter. Packaging is very pretty. There's the Gigi and the Gorgeous. I love watching Gigi. I miss that she doesn't make as many videos as she used to. Gigi, you need to make more videos, girl. Oh, I love the packaging. There is the packaging. I love the packaging. Just very simple. Ooh, and you just push and lift. Yes, girl. There is the highlighter. Now, a lot of people are saying, and yes, guys, I have no makeup on. I went makeup free today. Do you ever have those days where you just want to wear just skincare? And that's what I did. I have on a lot of skincare. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Let's do it. Let's do it up here where you can see better. Oh, that is so pretty. I will wear that. So that is the highlighter. Miss Gigi. And the other add-on I got was one of the baby little bum bums. I have the full size of the regular Bum Bum, and I've not tried the Cocoa one, the Cocoa Cabana, so I wanted to try it. And it is sealed, so let's unseal it. And I don't want to lose any of that cream, so scraping every bit off, and I'm going to take what's left on that lid and just rub it on my arm, girl. Try not to get it all over my shirt sleeve. Yes, I like that smell a lot better than the original. The original, everybody was raving over this, raving over it. Yes, it's expensive. Oh my God, it is so good. I went and splurged and got it at Sephora. And yes, the cream is good. As far as the actual product, yes, I love it. The smell, not so much. I'm just not a fan of that smell. This smell, the cocoa, I like it a lot better. So, whenever I end up using all that, and it'll probably take me a year, because I usually only use it on my legs, because I can't really smell the scent if I'm putting it on my legs. I will, then if I do another one, it will be the cocoa. Let's get into the actual box now, guys. So here is the card. The card is Wild Side for November 2019. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations, and leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of yourself. We're getting deep, guys. We're getting deep. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm just going to go down the row. Aptos Skincare Pomegranate Mask. Skin that's on the fritz. A mask that's made for you, infused with calming azelaic acid, made from barley. I like my beer. The antioxidant-rich vegan mask is especially good if you're experiencing redness or inflammation. I don't have any of that, really. It's all natural, which means the color may vary. Cleanse and exfoliate your skin. Apply a thin mask. Let it sink in for 10 minutes or rinse off in the shower with, you know, lukewarm water. This retails for $36. Okay. I've got so much skincare and stuff going on from boxes. I'm going to put this in my next giveaway. So I'm not going to open it or smell it or anything. But there it is. Nice, good size tube. So this will be going in my next giveaway. So that retails for $36. Over there she goes. Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer. Is that what this is? Bite Your Kiss? This is a nail polish? Okay. Right now my nails are pitiful because I took my acrylics off. And when I take the acrylics off, I bite around my nails. I don't bite my nails. I used to bite my nails. And I quit biting my nails. So now I'll sit there and just bite around my nails. It's still just as bad. This packaging got dinged up, children. Or is it supposed to be that way? No. What in the heck? Look at that. That's ridiculous. But it gives me a good thumb hold. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be that way. Brand that embraces expression through beauty. You got beat the hell up in that box, didn't you, you poor thing? Gigi beat my nail polish up. Gigi. Is one we can get behind, and their colors are always on or ahead of trends. High shine polish goes on smooth and lasts days without chipping. It's a deep plum shade that's perfect for updating your fall mani. This retails for $18. Yeah, I'm assuming because the whole back side of that is smooth, and then you go bonk bonk. Gigi got rough in there. So I'm not going to open that yet. Like I said, this baby is cold, and I'm going to let it warm up. She got beat up. That's all I know. She got beat up. What is next? Gigi. Oh, I got another Gigi. Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in turnt, like burnt, but it's turnt, like you turned out, in extra Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive. Too many vowels for me, children. Collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. This retails for $24. So I'm assuming the highlighter was probably retailed for $24, but it wasn't that much. I think it was $12 in the add-on shop. And I can't get this one open. I got the other one open. Thank goodness for scissors. All right, let's see. I can't get it out either. How this one does. Same packaging. I love that packaging. And oh, that looks really nice. Really smooth. So you got a light shade and a dark shade, so that would work for a lot of people. You can mix them together. There's the two shades. Can't wait to try this. I'm going to do, what I'll end up doing is a full face get ready with me using BoxyCharm and Ipsy. That's probably what I will end up doing. Using everything from BoxyCharm and from Ipsy this month and just do a video like that. What else is in here? Belle in Argent on Tour cream lip color and smoking on screen retails for $26. Wow. We think this might be the most perfect fall lipstick ever. We'll see. Cruelty-free and vegan brand, deep berry shade with blue-red undertones is infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in a creamy color. Now, how do y'all... I say jojoba oil. I know some people say jojoba oil. I say jojoba oil. How do y'all say it? I say jojoba. There is the shade. This is a chunky little lipstick box. It's a chunky little lipstick. Wow. That has got to be the biggest lipstick case I've ever held. But it's really pretty. Very Art Deco. I love the packaging, but it is huge. It's magnetized. The simplest things just make you happy. I mean, it's magnetized. It's got little stars on the tube. That is a beautiful shade. I am going to swatch it on my hand for you guys. I'll swatch it here beside Gigi. It's really cold. It's warming up to my skin. That's gorgeous packaging. There's the lippy there. All right. Still have my BoxyCharm stuff sitting here, guys. I don't know, today I got up and my hubby was sleeping because he's on a new job, so he's working a different shift, and he was sleeping, and I didn't want to wake him up, and so I didn't want to sit here and fiddle with all my makeup stuff, and I had some new skincare, the juice that came out of that juice serum that came out of the BoxyCharm. I have that all, had that all under my eyes. I had the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I put that on, and then I put on Estee Lauder Day Wear over that, and that's what I wore today. That was my face. What is the last thing in my box? It is Makeup Geek. Oh my gosh. Yes. I've never had a Makeup Geek highlighter. I have several of her eyeshadows, the loose pans, single pans, but I don't have a highlighter. Makeup Geek's Marlena Stell, and I miss her making videos too, guys, but after that whole blow up thing back in the summer, she's not doing videos anymore. And Marlena, if you was to happen to see this, please ignore all the bullshit that happened and just please come back and make videos. We miss you. Beauty vlogger Kathleen Lights, tap into the beauty lovers really want quality color that helps you feel your best. Apply this gold highlighter wherever you want to glow. It is highly pigmented. So I got two highlighters. Totally buildable. Use a light hand with this highly pigmented highlighter for natural lip from within glow, or pack it on for an intense strobe effect. That was the tip. This values for $20 and it is not light. I love her packaging. I know she was going to rebrand and maybe change up her packaging. I just got fingerprints on it, so I want to wipe that off. Look at that. Look, hey Shannon. But if my manager watches, she'll get a kick out of that. Oh, so pretty. This one's a little bit lighter than the Gigi, I do believe. So yes, I'm happy. Highlighter, I can take highlighters all day. Yes, this one's a little more peachy. Gigi's is definitely more gold. So yeah, definitely two different tones. Highlights. Oh, super happy. All right, the bag. We did get a bag, and it looks like a pink and brown cheetah print with a chocolate brown lining. Super cute. It says Ipsy on the side. I don't know if I would use this for anything, so this might get passed along to one of you guys later on. So I'll put it in my giveaway little basket. But that is it, guys. That is everything in my Ipsy box. So I had a couple add-ons, and then everything else was what was in my Ipsy. Ipsy and BoxyCharm really killed it this month. I think they did a really, really good job. Both of them. So yeah, I will do a video, probably not tomorrow, but soon, of just using my Ipsy and BoxyCharm stuff from this month. So that'll be a video. All right, guys, that's it. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And we'll look for my next giveaway, which will be the holiday giveaway. I've already announced the winner of my November giveaway, which was the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker and Christmas Cookie Lippy. That winner has already been announced. So I'll have a small giveaway. It's not going to be a huge holiday giveaway, but it's just going to be a little thank you. That's what these always are. It's just a thank you from me to you, to say thank you for watching and supporting me and just being there with me and chit-chatting with me and hanging out. So that's what these little giveaways are, or it's a thank you to give back to you guys. All right, guys, so be on the lookout for the November, not the November, it'll actually be a December giveaway. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.